Hi, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python version 3.13 and set up VS Code to write Python programs on a Windows 11 PC. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is actually search for the Microsoft Store. So I'm just going to start typing in Microsoft Store and I'm going to click Open. Once the store opens, we'll search for Python, hit Enter, and if we go on down, see a bunch of different versions. Here's Python 3.13. It's free. I'm going to click Get and let that go ahead and download. Okay, so that's gone ahead and installed. We can actually hover over this and click to open. And that's going to open up the command prompt and bring us right into Python 3.13. We can just get out of it by typing exit with two parentheses like so, and that'll exit out. So we've got Python version 3.13 installed. While we have the Microsoft Store open, we can search for VS Code. And we'll see we have Visual Studio Code right here. Let's hover over that and click Install. Okay, we can see that's installed. Let's close out the Microsoft Store and we'll search. We'll start to type Visual and we see Visual Studio Code come up. We'll click Open. And once it opens, I'll right click here and pin it to the taskbar. I'm going to go through this and just mark Done. And let's create a folder. Let's just create a folder on the desktop here. So let's go to a desktop, do a new folder. We'll do Python _ programs. Select that folder. Say, yes, I trust the authors. Close out this. Let's create a file. Let's just call it main.py or whatever .py you want to call it. Just make sure it ends with .py. Okay, and now VS Code is going to ask us, do you want to install the recommended Python extension from Microsoft for the Python language? I'm going to click Install because I do want to do that. Okay, I'm just going to mark this stuff done. And we see we've now got this play button here. Just to test this out, let's just do a print, and we'll do a hello world inside quotes. And I think if I run the play button, it'll automatically save it for me. So let's just run it. And it does. And there we go. We get the output, hello world. So Python is installed. Python version 3.13 is installed on your Windows 11 PC now. And VS Code is set up to at least begin writing some basic Python programs. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.